To make a private game in Siege, go to the playlist menu and select Custom Game. Choose Online so your friends can join you. Next, select Create New to build a playlist. Give it a name, add a match, and pick your map. For scrims, Villa and Chalet are the most ideal maps. Scrimming these specific maps is vital because they have received structural updates, which makes it balanced for both attackers and defenders. If you want your private game to feel like a real ranked or pro league match, use these settings. Set the total rounds to 12 with a role swap every 6. Make sure the preparation phase is exactly 45 seconds and the action phase is 3 minutes. Finally, set the plant and diffuser timers to 7 seconds. This ensures the game is balanced for both attackers and defenders. For a true competitive feel, you should use the Pro League HUD preset so you aren't distracted by the extra on-screen icons. In the custom game menu, there is often a Pro League toggle that automatically fills in most of these settings. All you have to do is click on it to save time. Be sure to choose a data center that's optimal for both teams. Click on Create as Player or Spectator and you'll be able to invite friends and set teams. And that's how you create a private match in Rainbow Six Siege.